Yo,
He's the real one.
He has a disease from that movie, Jack. Remember
He's the real Pink Falcon.
This superhero is too good.
Yo, you guys ever seen that movie with Robin Williams called Jack? That I think is really like 50.
Yeah, this is
that's that nigga right here, son.
Good shit.
Yo, fuck FD, yo. Piece of shit.
I love how Kiwi's like rooting against fucking
God damn it. Don't put 13-year-old
You're on some shit, bro.
Yeah, you want some shit, bro. You want some shit, bro. Damn, that nigga's nose in his head now. Yeah. God damn.
Anyway.
This game is cheating.
Good shit, Otto.
Hey, Hack, Liberty, Justice, see him. It's just...
You just beat Barack Obama, nigga. You just beat the nigga Barack Obama.
He don't know how to DR. He don't know how to DR.
You just beat the nigga Barack Obama. You can't lose to a fucking nigga.
They just got back here to see him.
Yeah.
You can't lose to Sonny Wolf, nigga. You beat Barack Obama, son.
The thing is
Hey, shut up. I was like, oh shit.
Yo, whoever said that should be a principal, nigga, because that Not Mr. Belgium right here, yo.
Mr.
Oh god.
Damn, what the hell?
Very nice. Very nice.
Kiwi's cheering against us. I feel so good for Kiwi. I love Kiwi for that. Thanks very much. That's why Karma is called, yo. Next time you go to Starbucks and a 13-year-old kid steals your coffee, nigga. You're gonna get jumped by 13-year-olds.
Oh.
Dark right now. Stop playing like Dark right now.
Dark Rain 2. Look out. Look out. You think it's good as I have to stop.
I said it's coming. It is coming. It's not here yet.
Niggas, fuck technical. I got none of that.
Oh my god!
Look at that
Now, damn, yo.
Holy shit!